Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. It's crucial to work in a well-lit area to see all components clearly. First, unplug your Dyson V11 to ensure safety. Remove the dust bin by pressing the release button. Set it aside. Next, take your Phillips screwdriver and locate the screws on the rail. There are typically 4 screws that need to be removed. Carefully unscrew them and keep them in a safe place. Once you've removed the screws, gently pull the rail away from the body of the vacuum. If you encounter resistance, check for any remaining screws. With the rail removed, take a moment to clean any debris or dust from the area using the soft cloth. This is a good opportunity to ensure that your vacuum is in top condition. Now, it's time to replace the cover. Align the new cover with the vacuum body. Make sure it fits snugly into place. If you're unsure about the alignment, refer to your user manual for guidance. After placing the new cover, take the screws you previously removed and secure the rail back onto the vacuum. Make sure each screw is tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening as this can damage the components. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Our service includes a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the best advice possible. Once the rail and cover are secured, reattach the dustbin by aligning it with the slot and pressing until you hear a click. Finally, plug in your Dyson V11 and test it to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to contact us. We provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. In conclusion, replacing the rail and cover on your Dyson V11 is a straightforward process with the right tools and guidance. Regular maintenance can prolong the life of your vacuum and enhance its performance. If you encounter any difficulties or prefer a professional touch, remember, no calls, no travel, just convenience at your doorstep. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.